Hey, this is Amy with Amy's Creative Acrylics, and today I am painting with my grandson Elijah.
Hi.
And my granddaughter Jade. And so today we're going to do a painting together, and I'm going to bring you down to the canvas so you can see what they're doing. Alright, so Jade's colors, she's going to use Decoart. This is turquoise. And then this one is Decoart's purple. And then Craft Smart's fluorescent pink. And Elijah is using, just tell them what colors you got. And then like hold it down there so they can see it. Color shifts.
Raspberry flash, blue flash, and emerald flash.
He's doing the color shift colors. So first we're going to put down our white. So this is where you're going to get a little messy. So if you want to get paint on your socks?
Oh shoot.
So I'm going to just pour it here in the middle, and then I'll let you move it all around.
Pour it in the middle? I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm not doing a painting today. I'm just going to help them because this is their first time doing a fluid painting. So, and I've been waiting for a couple years to come out and paint with them. So, there's a little bit more in there. You want to pour that?
Yes. Thanks, ma'am.
You're very welcome, ma'am.
I'm not a ma'am.
No, you're just Princess Jade, right? Okay, you need to wipe your hands off.
I'm thirsty.
You're thirsty? Where's your drink at?
Every minute.
You need a drink of mine? Yep. Good?
That's good lemonade.
Mm-hmm.
Did you have Sonic before?
Mm-hmm.
I have. One time when I had Sonic and I was sick.
They have Sonic in Lincoln.
Hey, Elijah.
Sorry.
You're fine. Go ahead. Keep doing it.
So now I'm going to push it around.
Yep. We'll start. Okay, so hold your canvas like this, and then we're going to just tilt it around. Which way you want to go first?
This way.
This way? Okay. Go down that way. Go this way. Want to make sure we get it all over. Go this way. It's messy, isn't it? All right. Look at that. How pretty is that? You like it?
Look at your hands.
Oh.
Make sure you don't put your hands in front of your painting. Here, want to wipe them off?
Look at my hand.
Oops, cracked your finger. Sorry about that. Now you see why my clothes are always messy? Yeah. That was
Now
fun
what do
though,
you do?
huh?
Yeah, I want to do it.
Move it around?
Yep, just move it around. Like, figure out, like, so you want to look at it first and see what piece that you do you like the most.
Can I go wash my hands first?
Wait for me so that way we can make sure your hands are all the way not wet. Okay? Here's this.
Alright, so I like the blue the most.
Lean back. Don't touch your painting with the paper towel though.
So then I'd want to go away from here?
So you like this piece the most?
Yeah, like right over here.
Yep. So tilt in other directions. Don't like go off all one way, like kind of go at an angle and then back. And then when you come, bring it back in so your painting kind of comes back into the middle again.
Mm-hmm.
And then, like, don't be afraid to take it off the edge though, because that's what you want to do.
Oh, okay.
See all that over there?
Yeah.
Did you see what's underneath of her painting?
No.
Let me show you.
Oh my gosh.
So that's what I mean. Like you want it to go over the sides, because then that's gonna give you the fun. You know, like it's gonna mess everything up.
Oh
kind
yeah.
of.
Yeah.
But
So kind of like that.
yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Then like what I do, like when I go to one angle, so then I bring it back this way, so bring my paint back to the middle of your canvas again, and then you can go into the other direction. So now if you want to leave it that way or you want to go back. See why you have the big thicker lines like that?
Yeah.
It's because you kind of made it more lined. See how hers is all kind of intertwined? Because she kind of mixed it more.
Oh.
Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
But let me show you something cool with yours we can do. Look at those pretty cells. And then Jade said she found a mermaid. Remember? Where's the mermaid? Mermaid is right there.
There's her head and her tail. It's so beautiful.
And I found another mermaid right
And another
there.
mermaid over here. Bless you. Beautiful, beautiful. Good job, Jade. This was her first fluid art. She did an awesome job. And then now, say, let's look at a close-up.
Let's look at a close-up.
This is Elijah's. Pretty colors.
And his is like a shark.
Yep, Jade said she found a shark. Where's the shark at?
Right here.
Right there's the shark. Right here?
Yeah,
Both of them.
The blue?
Yeah. This is the head. That's the fit or the gills.
Yep.
And then the tail.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Over there.
Very cool. Look at all those beautiful stones. Played around with a lot of the palette knives I got with all the different edges.
And this one's a crab or a lobster, whatever.
Where's it at?
Right there.
She said there's a crab or a lobster or whatever. The colors are cool. But in the light, it's this lighting isn't the best. So if we had like a really bright light above us, then you'd be able to see more of the colors shifting, Elijah.
Oh.
So when it's dry, before we post this video, we'll take it outside in the sunlight when it's dry.
And it takes like 2 days?
Maybe. It might not take that long here because it's a little warmer. But this was their first pour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
And watch more of our painting videos.
Yes, we're going to do lots more while I'm out here visiting, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yes. And Elijah, we're going to do lots more. He wants to do, what did you want to do? Oh, he wants to do one with the gold, and then he wants to do one with the blow dryer.
Gold turtle shells.
The gold turtle shell?
Can I tell you something
That's what I
more?
call
Oh,
Guys?
huh? Yes.
And my favorite one is where you know, like some people do more crafts and stuff. We all do like craft or coloring and stuff, whatever what you want. So you can do whatever you want, guys, and click on the videos.
Yep, it's say, keep being creative.
Keep being creative.
Bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Have a good day. Have a good evening. Bye.